This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering everything down. First, put both earbuds into the charging case and close the lid for 10 seconds to force a soft sleep. Once done, open the case and remove any active Bluetooth pairing on your phone or laptop. Make sure the Bose QC Earbuds 2 are forgotten in Bluetooth settings. Then, if the case has a tiny reset hole, locate a pin. If not, we'll use the button sequence next. This establishes a clean state before the actual reset. You now perform the factory reset. Press and hold the case button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears stored pairings and settings. Once the LED sequence completes, remove the earbuds and wait for them to enter pairing mode. You'll see the LED blink blue or white indicating discoverable status. Make sure to reboot your device's Bluetooth before repairing, because cached profiles can prevent a fresh connection. This step restores defaults and resolves many software issues. Finish by pairing the earbuds to your device. Select Bose QC Earbuds 2 and confirm audio playback, ANC, and touch controls work. If pairing fails, make sure both earbuds and the case are fully charged, then repeat the reset procedure. Charging hiccups often block resets. Also, try a different phone to rule out device-specific Bluetooth bugs. If problems persist after 2 resets and full charge cycles, contact Bose support or seek warranty service, since hardware faults may require repair or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.